What's up guys? Today's video is on the best carpet cleaners. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution. From the 55 carpet cleaners we've tested throughout the time, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Carpet Cleaner 35799 is one of the desirable of the excellent. It not only stood apart from the other choices we tested in the laboratory, but it also beat the other top performers in earlier tests, as well. That's right, it's very great at cleaning carpets. As is typical with upright carpet cleaning machines, this includes two basins, one to store clean water and solutions as well as the other for holding and storing dirt water. Filling as well as emptying it are simple. The tanks are simple to take off and move, as we experienced no issues filling the clean tank and then adding solution to the lines for filling. Number 2. Totoko Carpet Cleaner. Another top choice that has proven to be a standout out of the 55 carpet cleaners we've efforts. The Totoko iCarpet is a sleek and user-friendly machine that surpassed all our initial expectations. Carpet machines that are upright can be a hassle, however this one is more user-friendly than the majority of. It was able to handle the majority of spills we created, lifting around 90% of fresh and set-in coffee as well as wine staining. It did struggle a bit with dirt set-in. It was able to handle set-in dirt, but based on the kind of mess within your home, a pet leaving footprints that are muddy instead of drops and drips around the dining room table, it may take longer to bring off the most good outcome. Number 3. Hoover Pro Clean Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. This Hoover Pro Clean Pet Carpet Cleaner FH51050 is another excellent option for cleaning carpets at home. It makes carpets and rugs much cleaner and provides payoff that are comparable to those of perfect overall and runners-up picks. The problem? It doesn't move as fluidly, but we think it's a reasonable trade-off because it's at a cheaper price than the other options. In terms of stain removal, the Hoover Pro Clean Pet Carpet Cleaner FH51050 has made a huge improvement in all the stain we created in the past. One fresh stain and one set-in consisting of dirt, coffee as well as red wine. The wine was still noticeable, but it was easy to miss when you're not focused on the area. We believe these payoffs suggest its flexibility in the home as well. It's able to handle the demands of drinks, food as well as the regular grime of household life that gets on shoes. Number 4. Bissell Little Green MultiPurpose Cleaner. The well-known Bissell Little Green gained prominence on TikTok when users posted videos of themselves removing stains that looked impossible on couches, carpets, and chairs, while posting the photos with the hashtag Little Green Machine. On many occasions when we took the carpet cleaner that is portable to the laboratory, we had no hopes that it would perform to the standards of the media. Although it wasn't satisfying to blow us away, but it was a great product. Bissell Small Green Carpet Cleaner was viral due to a reason. See the video below for how to use it. It's also a winner in terms of cleaning up spots. The use and maintenance of it are simple and the turtle shell design is cute. Through the transparent basins you can observe the little green sucking up a freshly spilled coffee. With a bit effort, the little green was able to clean staining from juice, ketchup and the potting soil without any pre-treatment and just a tiny stain left. Number 5. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Pet owners are aware that their pets with fluffy fur have their own puddles. This is the reason we suggest using the Rug Doctor Pet Spot Portable Cleaner for all pet cleanup needs. The small, but powerful machine was in good shape straight out of the box, and was surprisingly easy to operate. Our top feature on this machine is the handle that retracts that makes moving it from place to place and even storage a breeze. A coffee stain was not a match to the suction power of this machine and was removed in one cleaning that is unique to carpet cleaners. Additionally, chocolate, red wine and dirt stain were nearly completely eliminated. We were awestruck by the speed at which this machine took off stains, and we were thrilled that we didn't need to replenish the tank of 1 gallon frequently. After we brought the machine to our home for testing over the long term, it was clear that the pet and portable features that make up this Rug Dr. Pet Spot Cleaner was verified. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.